I bought this $650 PC thinking that I scored a deal of a lifetime. But now looking closer at it, I found a lot of problems. Did I make a mistake? This beautiful dusty gem right here is actually held together with bits of tape. Yes, I don't know what the tape is for. We've got rust throughout the build. We've also got screws popping up throughout the case. And we've also got dodgy cut jobs to make things fit. Yes, this is a true DIYer's PC build. Honestly, everything else looks fairly clean, but we're gonna strip it right down and make sure it's looking brand new. In terms of the specs, we have the Threadripper 1950X. We also have a 1080 Ti GPU, an MSI X399 MEG Creation, which I noticed was actually missing a cover plate on it, 32 gigs of RAM, a 512 gigabyte NVMe with 4 256 gigabyte XPG NVMe's in this MSI NVMe expansion card, I guess you would call it, a 1000 watt power supply, and this is the Corsair 750D. This thing smells, the spider webs are creepy. Let's give it a good deep clean. Tell Microsoft to bugger off and get yourself Windows 11 CD keys for 1/10 of the price. Who keys have a big sale on, and you can use my code IFR25 to get 25% off with loads of payment methods. Copy your code and paste it here to activate. You can even grab Office for your PC for dirt cheap. Don't pay a reoccurring subscription. Use code IFR25 for 25% off. Links are in the description. All Who Keys software products are on sale right now. This case is a lot worse than I first thought. We've got this case being torn apart by different handheld tools. We've got drill marks on the back. We've got some rough cutting jobs at the front. I really want to fix that all up, make it nice and neat. And then if there is any holes that need patching, I might put a piece of acrylic over it so it's nice and flat. But the worst part is when you drill holes, you should really put a little bit of paint over the exposed metal because it does start rusting, and that's what we have here. And there was heaps of rust under the fans down the bottom as well and behind the radiator. So I've got to clean all of this up, and I think I'm just going to be giving this case a fresh paint job. This build was a fire hazard waiting to happen. All of the extra components were actually spliced right into the power supply cables. They weren't connected by Molex or by SATA. Let's try clean it up. Alright guys, now that we've fixed up this broken PC, it's time to see if it actually works. Yes, there we go guys, it's actually working. Let's go. If you made it this far, thank you for enduring the process with me. This build had way more surprises, rust, and damage than I was expecting. Shout out to DJ Millie who said, thanks for the white build with black rads. You've just saved me quite some cash on reusing existing rads. Don't forget DJ Millie, paint can work absolute wonders. Just don't paint the fins of the radiators. If you've got a fun idea for the next cleaning video, drop it in the comments. I'll be reading every single one. And if you're into builds that belong in the dumpster, don't forget to check out this one here. Thanks for watching. We got more rust and dust coming soon. I'll see you in the next one.